Saw you last night, but did it. Damn. Yeah, a lot of murder. No.
Stop. Don't do this. This is a terrible idea. I'm Shantel, parts manager at DD Ford. You've probably seen this washer fluid save your money hack on Facebook or TikTok. Why pay for washer fluid when you can use a grody sticky Slurpee cup and put an old scoop and fill from the gas station community scrubber tub? For the love of clean pipes and effective spray jets, please do not do this. We've all seen folks practically wash their whole darn vehicle with these things. So you gotta know that you're not getting washer fluid when you scoop. What you're getting is mud, sand, tiny rocks, Lord knows what else. All of this debris gets shaken up when your vehicle is moving in the reservoir over the roads. And in turn, this is what you end up getting, is all that rubbish in there. So don't do that. The spray jets themselves had really teeny tiny pinholes that direct the spray in that fan type that covers your entire window. Even a little tiny piece of sand will cause you some grief. So if you get a blockage, you now need a new spray jet. Don't cheap out on washer fluid, take care of your spray jets, and don't try stupid save your money acts because they always cost you more in the long run.